I'm Serena, I'm a conservation scientist at Centro, Conservazione, Restauro, Venaria Reale. That is one of the most important Italian center dedicated to conservation and restoration of artworks. In this center, we work every day mixing scientific research and conservation practice. For this reason, the workers are conservators and also conservation scientists that works together to prevent damage, to preserve artworks in general. In this project, we would like to bring our scientific approach, so the diagnostic technologies that we use daily in our work, like RTI, tomography, and so on. We would like also to use our interdisciplinary approach applied to the case studies. For example, the case study of the Reggia di Venaria Reale, the consortium that we work together with this consortium, and with the Polito, reaching some data from the Great Gallery, Sant'Uberte Church, and some furniture.